Alright, let's check out what Pyro Connection sent me. Can't remember what I ordered on this one. A little hard doing the camera and taking all this out. Alright, looks like some 1-inch plugs. Nice, nice. Oh, 2 boxes of Mandarin snaps. Check that out real quick. See if we can get them out. They got those things wrapped up tight. Let's see if I can cut it open with my knife. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, let's see what we got here. I got some Mandarin snaps. Cracker snaps. What are these made by? I don't see a name on them. Made in China. Well, no name, just a warning label, explosives. Cool, those are from Pyro Connection. Let's see what else we got here. Got some safety fuse. 15 feet, 2mm. Alright, what else we got here? We got some crackling dragon fuse. Gonna be for the M80s. M100s. Wow. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. In the bag here. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. It's been a minute. We're in the middle of trying to pack and move. Middle of buying a house. Alright. Got some nice sticks right here. Little M80 sticks, looks like. Yeah, we got some big boys. Can't wait to get these done, man. That'd be nice. Already started on some others. Yeah, check it out. Haven't posted any videos because we're in the process of moving, but that's my little fireworks stash. Already in the process of plugging the ends. Get those done. Got some little Johnnies right here. Got some smaller ones. I already got some fuse and stuff like that. Big lighter, dishes. My dark aluminum down there. Mixing. Just waiting for my potassium chloride. Something to mix. Grind the potassium up with. I move this stuff right here. There's a box of stuff that my wife likes. She likes fountains and stuff, which is all good. Too bad I can't take much time and go through it for you guys. This is all broke down out of Red Apple assortments. We had a fountain assortment on sale this year. Went out and bought it for my wife. Alright. This stack, of course, you know, some tubes, X-Cal tubes. Bought a case of the Top Gun smiley faces this year. And this right here is another box. It's just randoms, you know, sparklers. There's the happy facers down there. Kept one box intact. That's a little. We got stack night planes. What we got back here? Oh yeah, we got some little alien magnums. Those are alright. Not bad for the price. I was over at Alien this year. Picked up a couple boxes of these. These are pretty dope. Speedballs. And got some poppets. TNT poppets, you know, for the kids. Got some of these little frogs. Got those for free over at Alien this year. Got some smoke balls, novelty stuff. Got some cherry on top, Roman candles. Didn't buy much Roman candles when I was in Pahrump this year. Not a big fan, really. They're alright. Guess they're cool for the kids and stuff. So, yeah, it'll be alright. Got my wife a couple packs of these Morning Glories. She likes that. You know. Oh yeah, this little box right here. I think it's just novelties and stuff. I'm not sure exactly. Check it out right here. Oh yeah, some can of snakes. Looks like some smokes, pickling peats. We got some sunflowers. We got some small bees down there. It's not bad. Alright, let's move on real quick. I'm just doing this real fast, man. Sorry I'm not taking too much time. Yeah. Let's see what this next box entails. Oh. Got some, looks like some firecrackers down here. We got some pills. Some cakes. Some more cakes. What else we got over here? How big are they?